Hello everyone, today, we'll embark on an inspiring journey to discover the story behind Asian farmers who dedicate their days and nights to cultivating and harvesting the rare and valuable Lingzhi mushrooms. This isn't just an ordinary medicinal herb used in traditional medicine, it's the result of persistence, passion, and hard work passed down through generations. Let's dive into this miraculous journey, from deep forests to the hands of consumers worldwide. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, so you won't miss our future videos. In the dense forests, amidst the serene landscapes of mountains or on the fertile lands of rural Asia, lies a unique and intricate profession, the cultivation and harvesting of Lingzhi mushrooms. This precious mushroom, which has been linked with traditional medicine for thousands of years, requires a labor-intensive and patient process, one that not many are familiar with. To harvest a perfect Lingzhi mushroom, farmers endure a long journey of hard work, patience, and wisdom. Lingzhi mushrooms, often called the herb of the gods, are not easy to cultivate. They require a very specific growing environment, cool climates, high humidity, and the soft light of dense forests. Farmers across Asia, from Japan, Korea, to China and Vietnam, have lived and worked closely with nature, learning to observe and understand the slightest changes in the environment. They know that every Lingzhi mushroom is a product of the perfect harmony between humans and nature. Mai, an experienced Lingzhi farmer in Vietnam, shares, "We don't just grow mushrooms. We learn to listen to the plants, to let them tell their stories." Lingzhi mushrooms not only demand meticulous care but are also influenced by the seasons. If the rainy season arrives too early, the excessive humidity can cause the mushrooms to mold. On the other hand, a dry summer can slow down their growth. So, what do farmers need to do to cultivate their first Lingzhi mushrooms? First, they must carefully select the spores. Lingzhi mushrooms can be cultivated from tiny spores, but finding a healthy, strong strain requires experience and technique. While modern farms use machinery and advanced technology, in rural villages, farmers still rely on traditional methods. In some remote villages of Japan, it's said that Lingzhi spores are hand-collected and placed on natural logs, then nurtured as if they were treasures. Each mature Lingzhi mushroom carries the story of the farmer's dedication, from spore selection to the moment the first mushroom sprouts from the log. Unlike other crops, Lingzhi mushrooms need constant, careful attention throughout their growth. Farmers must control the humidity, light, and temperature of the growing environment. Long days under the sun or rainy nights can affect the entire mushroom crop. Takahashi, a Lingzhi farmer from Japan, once said, "Lingzhi mushrooms are not just plants. They are a part of our lives. We live with them, learn from them, and grow alongside them." There are days when Takahashi wakes up early to check every growing area, ensuring no mushrooms have been affected by pests or bad weather. A small patch of mold could spread and ruin an entire batch. This work requires constant vigilance, meticulous care, and never letting your guard down. After months of careful nurturing, Lingzhi mushrooms finally reach their harvesting stage. But few people know that harvesting Lingzhi mushrooms is just as delicate as growing them. Harvesting too early can result in mushrooms of insufficient quality, while waiting too long may reduce their nutritional value. Farmers typically harvest in the early morning when the mushrooms are still cool and unaffected by daytime heat. Using careful hands, they cut each mushroom, ensuring not to damage the stem. Harvesting Lingzhi mushrooms is like harvesting gold, said Mr. Hoang, a farmer in Vietnam. Each mushroom is the result of countless hours of sweat and effort. So we handle them with extreme care. Although growing Lingzhi mushrooms demands immense effort and patience. For Asian farmers, this is not just a job, it's a source of pride and joy. They know that every Lingzhi mushroom they produce not only brings income but also contributes to the health of millions around the world. Mrs. Lee, a farmer in Korea, once said with a smile, "We are not wealthy, but we are happy knowing that every Lingzhi mushroom we grow is valuable to someone." Despite the growing international market for Lingzhi mushrooms, farmers face numerous challenges. Climate change, competition from artificial products, and economic pressure make growing Lingzhi harder than ever. Yet, with love and dedication, Asian farmers continue to persevere. In small gardens or deep forests across Asia, farmers continue to nurture Lingzhi mushrooms with passion and commitment. Their work may not always stand out, but the results they produce are incredibly valuable. Each Lingzhi mushroom, grown with heart and soul, brings health and happiness to people worldwide. And there you have it. We just completed an emotional journey alongside the Asian farmers growing Lingzhi mushrooms. From careful breeding, meticulous care, to harvesting, each mushroom carries not only medicinal value but also the love and dedication of those who cultivate it. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this story interesting and want to learn more about other aspects of farmers' lives or unique industries, feel free to leave a comment below so we can continue sharing. See you in the next video.